Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use LinkedIn keywords to optimize your profile for SEO. Step by step, fully updated for 2026. Keywords help recruiters find your profile by matching your skills, experience, and expertise with their search queries. First, log in to LinkedIn at linkedin.com using your main professional account. Ensure your profile is complete and verified, as incomplete profiles rank lower in searches. Start with your headline. Include your job title, main skills, and industry-specific keywords. For example, data analyst, SQL, and Python, business intelligence and analytics. Keywords here carry the most weight in recruiter searches. Next, optimize your About section. Write a concise summary including your experience, achievements, and target roles. Naturally incorporate keywords recruiters often search for, like tools, technologies, or methodologies relevant to your field. Now, update your experience section. Use clear job titles and bullet points highlighting achievements. Include keywords for skills, projects, and tools you used. This helps LinkedIn match your profile with recruiter searches. Add relevant skills and endorsements. Include 15 to 20 skills that reflect your expertise. Prioritize the ones recruiters search for most in your industry. Request endorsements from colleagues to improve credibility. Ensure your public profile is visible. Go to Settings arrow, Visibility arrow. Edit your public profile. And make your profile visible to everyone. Public profiles with keywords rank higher in searches. Finally, engage on LinkedIn. Post updates, comment on posts, and join groups related to your industry. Active profiles with keyword-rich content are more likely to appear in recruiter searches. And that's it. By strategically adding keywords to your headline, about experience, skills, and maintaining an active profile, you can improve LinkedIn SEO and get discovered by the right recruiters. Hey everyone! In this video,